Paano nga ba nakakatulong ang mga games with sandboxes sa pagiging IT or as a programmer? Unang-una dyan, yung logical and algorithm thinking natin. Since you design rules and systems, natitrain yung algorithm thinking natin without even writing a single code. For example, dito yung mga triggers, like pag in-interact ng player na to yung object, ganito yung mangyayari. Pangalawa dito is yung programming basics. Like for example, yung sa Roblox, yung sa Lua niya, tinatrain tayo gumawa ng, let's say, conditional loops like if else or variables. Like it gives us a sense kung ano yung mga may encounter natin in the programming world, and at the same time heads up na rin para sa skill set na ipa-prepare natin for programming itself. Lastly, yung troubleshooting. Since pag gumagawa tayo ng mga games sa sandboxes, hindi naman always is nakakamit yung gusto nating mangyari. So, in a sense, natatrain na rin yung problem solving or debugging skills natin when it comes to the IT world, since parang hinahanap natin yung mga processes or steps na kailangan natin i-configure para makamit yung pinaka-goal natin in hand.